Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to find the value of this number, right? So let's take this as x. Now I'm going to take the second power of both sides, so this is 6 plus so on equals x square. So I can write this as 6 plus so on. I'm going to take 6 to this side, so this is x square minus 6, right? This is also x, so I can write this as x equals x square minus 6. So x square minus x equals 0. Now I can write this as x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6 equals 0. This is x minus 3 times x minus 2, right? This is plus, right? So then x should be either x minus 3 should be either 0 or x plus 2 should be 0. So x can be 3 or x can be minus 2. But this is a positive number, right? Because this is a square root number, so this is also always positive, so this can't be happen. So x should be what? 3, right? So the number like this going forever is converged into number 3, right? So I hope you guys understood what I did here. Please comment below if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.